Your posters will arrive rolled in a box like this one. As you will see in just a few seconds, these posters are printed on a really heavy-duty coated paper stock, which is great for durability, but they will definitely need a little assistance in flattening out. So just pull them out of the box and try to watch the edges so you don't scrape them. So you just pull them out of the box like this, and as I said, they're going to be kind of curly. Lay them down on a flat surface and make sure your surface is clean and dry, but no cleansers. And then just put a couple of large books or a large board game, something with a little bit of weight, and let them sit for at least a few hours. I left this set overnight, as you can see, and it's relatively flat and ready to go, ready to be home.